Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes? Yes. So, children, welcome you all in your English class. And this is your Harpreet ma'am. So, children, before going forward, we will see what we have done in our last class. So, quickly, just we go through it. So, children, we have done nouns. We have done nouns, singular and plural. Singular and plural. Now, what is singular and plural? I have explained you yesterday. There are different forms of singular and plural. There are different rules how to change with S, with ES, with IES. Yes? So, here we will see some irregular plurals. Some irregular plurals. So, here we go. So, children, you can see there are irregular plurals. Now we will see which are irregular plurals. First one, you can see there is a child, and the plural form of child is children. Yes, you can see the plural form of child is children. Always remember, children, the plural form of child. A single child is said child, and many child, we can say children. Don't use s after the children. There is children itself, it is a plural form of a child. So you can see there is one child and the plural form of child is children. Now the next one, a woman. You can see a woman, and the plural form of woman, yes, the plural form of woman is woman. Spelling, it is changed. You can see woman and then women. Many, single woman is woman, and many, so we can say it women. Same way, man and then men. Yes, single man, a man, and more than one, the plural form of man, men. You can see the spelling, there is a change in the spelling. So always keep in mind, these plurals will always you have to remember. Then a person, a people. Yes, a single person is a person, more than one person, either it is male or female. So we can say people. There are so many people. We can use like this. Yes, a person. And the plural form of a person is people. Then you can see a child, children. Now, some another. What is this, children? This is a foot. This is a foot. And many foot are there. It is feet. Then a tooth, and the plural form of tooth is teeth. Then you can see the word which ends with F. The word which ends with F, we have to put over there in the last VES. So leaf become leaves. Then here again, it is a knife. So a knife becomes in the plural form knives. KNIVES. At the place of FE, we have to put VES. These are some irregular pronouns. Sorry, plurals. Now you can see one aircraft, again many are also aircraft. Then after that it is an octopus. You might have seen octopus in the sea. So more than one octopus, what we say to it? It is very interesting. Octopi. What we say? Octopi. Then it is a sheep. It is a sheep. So one sheep we say sheep, and more than one they are also sheep only. So you can see one sheep is sheep and more than one it is again a sheep. Then it is a wolf. So a wolf, single wolf, a wolf, more than one, it is wolves. It is wolves. So here, so many irregular plurals we have seen. Now, one more. It is a deer and more than one deer. They are also deer. A deer means a single deer and more than one, we say that deer. Now children, you can see it is a goose. One goose is goose, more than one goose, geese. Then here it is an ox. More than one ox. It is not oxes, it is oxen. More than one ox, oxen. Then you can see mouse. A single mouse is mouse. More than one mouse, they are mice. This we have done yesterday. So children, that's all for today. What we have learned today? We have learned irregular plurals. Irregular plurals. They are not usually follow the rule. Yes? So, what we say to a child in the plural form? Children. A woman? Women. A man? Men. A person? People. A foot? Feet. A tooth? Teeth. A leaf? Leaves. A knife? Knives. An aircraft? Aircraft. An octopus? Octopi. A sheep? Sheep. A wolf? Wolves. A deer? Deer. A goose? Geese. An ox? Oxen. Mouse? Mice. So that's all for today, dear children. I hope you all understood, and these all you have to remember. Okay, so I will give you the writing part of this also, so you have to remember this. So that's all, dear children, for today. Take care, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay healthy. Goodbye.